The first time I met a CEO of a rapidly growing company, I listened not just to his words, but to the cues of his human wiring. And as he shared about his business, I quickly discerned that he was someone who liked to create and act on his own ideas. He thrived on verbal communication. He juggled multiple tasks and he preferred a loosely structured work environment. Now, curious about his company's growth, I asked if things were slipping through the cracks. His immediate response, yes. And I continued with a series of targeted questions, each met with the same realization. Finally, he paused and he asked, "How did you know?" The answer is simple. When you understand how people are wired, how they process information, make decisions, even respond under pressure, you can anticipate challenges before they arise. And when you communicate in a way that aligns with their natural wiring, it's the highest form of respect and connection. In a fast-growing company, human wiring becomes amplified under pressure. And if not managed, it influences everything from decision-making to team dynamics to company culture. And many people unknowingly operate on autopilot, only to wonder why they aren't achieving their desired results, or it's so hard. But when you understand human wiring, you can put in the right systems, the leadership distinctions, and the teams in place to achieve success a lot easier. If you're inspired to harness human wiring for transformative results, I invite you to join us for the upcoming masterclass, Wired to Win, Your Path to Passion, Purpose, and Prosperity. You can join us online or on site, though we recommend on site in Livonia, Michigan, at our headquarters at the Business Innovation Lab. And you'll discover your innate wiring, how it influences your decision making, relationships, your business outcomes, and how to align it with your optimal work environment, how to master the science of peak performance and work with your wiring instead of against it, so that you can eliminate resistance, reduce burnout, and really accelerate results with greater ease. And you'll learn to expand your leadership capacity. A lot of our role plays, you'll learn how to effectively lead, delegate, even empower others by leveraging their strengths and working through them to drive greater impact. More information on the link below. I'm Lisa Minnini. Until next time, create a great life.